Since becoming Assiniboia's mayor in 2012, we've seen Mayor Himbeault's passion for his community, for rural health care, and for health services provided close to home. It's a real pleasure to welcome you here today, Mayor Himbeault.
Well, good morning. What a great occasion. Certainly dignitaries, Wigmore family. My wife Norma and I met the Wigmore family this morning just before the event here, and what a great family. It was a pleasure to meet you. So I'm just going to tell you a little story about my campaign for this hospital. And back in the March of 2013, at our South Central Municipal Association meeting, we invited Bert Linklater from the region here to be our guest speaker. And Bert made a presentation on this proposed new hospital. And Bert did an excellent presentation. If there was any skeptics in the room before, there certainly wasn't any after. Bert did a fine job at promoting this hospital. Bert also encouraged us as municipalities to help fund this hospital. And I know many of our communities down south did that. But then we also encouraged Bert to push for the MRI in this hospital. And that we indicated to him, if you did have an MRI, that there's many of our communities would be prepared to support it financially. And I was really happy to hear that announcement when it was announced. And it really made me feel better, because then I didn't have to bug the Minister of Health at SUMA Convention about the MRI. In fact, I thanked them last year. Well, here we are today, and it all happened. I had the pleasure to tour the hospital in August when they're having the tours, and I was impressed beyond belief. What an outstanding job by everyone involved. And also a big thanks to the Healthcare Foundation for their equipment campaign. Excellent job, and I would imagine when they stepped forward and said they would raise money for the MRI, that kind of put the deal, it sealed the deal for that MRI. Certainly this regional hospital will offer the best healthcare services while reducing time and travel costs for our citizens. And living an hour south of Moose Jaw, and then residents further south, it is a drive, and if we can get those services here in Moose Jaw instead of driving to Regina or Saskatoon, that certainly will be very beneficial. Having a state-of-the-art hospital makes our region more attractive for families to live and work and play in the region, so that has a big impact on our region. So on behalf of our rural mayors, councils, and their citizens, congratulations on a job well done. We thank you for our great regional hospital. Thank you.